Hey guys, this is Howard UBR Tech, and today we're going to do an unboxing and a first impressions of a B&T APC9 Pro. So this is the hard case that it comes in. Nothing crazy. As you can see, there's pretty much, it looks the same on both sides. Has some foam on top and bottom. So this is a sling that it comes with, has a little H&K connector right here. Here is the, nothing too impressive, it's just, you know, hard plastic. Put that aside. And here is a cleaning kit. So you get a brush, 3 rod brushes, and here's the rod with the extension. Put that aside. This is the documentation. It comes with a little Allen key. I think that is to replace or to put an arm brace on. And when you do that, this is the piece that you are removing. So this piece comes off. When you purchase it, if it doesn't already have the brace on it, this will be on the butt of the gun with the little connector for the sling. Put that aside. The other thing too is your B&T may not have the sights already on. So let's make sure that the weapon is clear. And there's nothing in there at all. This is the APC9 Pro. This is basically like the second generation of the first APC. They changed a few things. I think the bolt catch is different. And also the charging handle is non-reciprocating and ambidextrous. Also, these charging handles that come with it were an upgrade on the first APC. This is the Pro, and it actually is ambidextrous. It comes with both on both sides. Okay. Let's do a nice little pan, and as we're doing a pan, we will talk about all the features of this gun. As you can see at the tip of this barrel, there is a 3-lug suppressor connector. The barrel is 7 inches with a 1 in 10 twist. It's also cold hammer forged, so you know it's a really good barrel. The other thing is they have Picatinny rails at 3, 6, and 9, and also the length of the top of the gun. The gun comes with these sights. Nothing too crazy, as you can see. It's just your standard sights. Okay, the charging handle. On the original APC, they only gave you one charging handle on one side. You could put it on either side, and it was sort of like, reminds you of like a SCAR charging handle. It just stuck out like this, and it did not fold, and also it was reciprocating just like the SCAR. On the APC Pro, this version, charging handle is non-reciprocating, and it also is ambi and folding on both sides. When I charge this gun, I mean, it feels like it's running on ball bearings. It's very, very smooth. You're going to notice a theme. Everything on this gun is very high quality. The other thing we can talk about is the functions. Everything, all the different things that are on this gun are ambidextrous, so their safety and your bolt hold open and close right here. So if you want to hold the bolt open, you charge it and you press up on here, it'll hold the bolt. If you push down, it will release the bolt. This is your mag release, and it's pretty much the same on both sides. So you have your safety, your bolt function, and your mag release. The grip on this gun, I like it. Don't have any complaints about it. I don't think I'll swap it out. It feels great. But if you are interested in swapping this out, you can, because it's pretty much an AR style grip. You can pretty much replace it with whatever AR grip that you prefer. The trigger on this gun is, to me, very good. It doesn't need to be replaced. If you really need to replace the trigger, Geisley makes one, and I'm not sure who else is making them, but I know there's going to be other companies that'll be making it. The other thing I also heard, some AR triggers can be swapped out with this one. So you'd probably have to do some Googling and finding out like which ones can, which ones can't. The gun itself with the sights and the 30 round mag weighs just over 6 pounds. That's not counting the arm brace that I have on here. It's just the gun, the sights, and a 30 round mag. As I was telling you before, it's very high quality. Everything feels like solid. There's like no play. The tolerances are very, very tight. Almost feels like everything's overbuilt on this weapon. So you're definitely, the money that you're putting out for this thing, you're definitely getting your money's worth. In shooting this gun, I think I've shot about 350 rounds through this so far. And the one thing I can say, it's very fun shooting this thing. It was probably the most fun I've had in a long time at the range. It just shoots really fast, very accurate. The recoil is almost non-existent, and it's probably due to the recoil dampener in the back. I'm going to do a disassemble, reassemble video of this gun. If you really are interested to see the dampening system, you can check out that video. The last thing I could say about this gun is I have no buyer's remorse. I absolutely love this gun. I'm so happy I got it. It's amazing and it's awesome. The other thing I wanted to mention since filming this video is the arm brace that I have here. I wanted to get an arm brace. The arm brace that I kept seeing out there was the one that was made from B&T. It's really expensive. It retails for $5.99, and it has this tail hook and a telescoping arm. So for $5.99, I didn't think it was worth that. And then because it's hard to get, a lot of the places that do carry them are increasing the prices to upwards of $8.99. If I didn't think $5.99 was worth it, I'm definitely not going to spend that extra money. So I was watching some videos on this gun, and I saw somebody who had this arm brace on their APC9 Pro. So I contacted him through Instagram and basically asked, where did you get it? And he said he got it from Custom Smith MFG. I am not sponsored by that company. They did not give this to me for free. I paid my own money to purchase this. I'm just giving anybody out there who's looking for an arm brace for their APC9 Pro, this is a good option. It feels well constructed. It folds, you push the button and this thing folds. And the other thing is you would have to purchase this tail hook separately. So this piece goes for about $135, I think, and the tail hook is on Optics Planet. I got it for $99, and I also found a coupon code for an additional 10% off, which is great. So the tail hook is, let me get the name of it just to be sure, Gearhead Works. So it's Gearhead Works Mod 1, and basically what happens is you attach this piece to the end of this arm and you tighten these two screws, you're done. You take this screw out, you pop this off, the arm goes right in between, and you use the same exact screw that you took out and put it back in, and you're done. And it has this button, you push the button and it folds. Just like that. There you go. So I really love this arm brace, and the reason why is because it has a higher cheek rest than all the other arm braces out there for this gun. Matter of fact, when you purchase this arm brace, this piece right here from Custom Smith's website, it actually gives you an option for a high cheek rest and a low cheek rest. I opted for the high. That being said, I feel as though that it was a great purchase. If you have any questions about it, feel free to put it in the comments. I'll try to get back to you. So I guess that is pretty much it. This is the little unboxing and first impressions of the gun. Also to give you a little bit of information about the arm brace. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. I can't explain how much it helps when you guys subscribe. And thanks for watching. Till next time, I'll see you in the next one.